Hello and welcome to our Step 2 tutorial. This is where I'll teach you how to port forward. So the first thing we're going to want to do is log into our router. If you don't know how to do that, go to your start menu, type in cmd ipconfig. You'll see it pop up. Default gateway is what we're looking for, 192.168.0.1. You're going to type that in your web browser and hit enter. After that, this will come up. It's going to want us to log in, so we're going to log in. We're going to go to Advanced and go into Port Forwarding. I'm using a D-Link Dir 655 router, so if you have the same one, this should go very smoothly for you. Now, a lot of people said that you should use a virtual server. You should not. You should use Port Forwarding. So we're going to come down to here. These two connect to each other. These are one. As you can see by the checkbox, it connects each two as a pair. So the name, Minecraft, can be anything you want. It doesn't really matter. The ports we're going to open is 25565 for both UDP and TCP. If your router only allows you to make a TCP or UDP at once, then you're going to have to create two of them, one as a TCP and one as a UDP. The schedule is always inbound filter, allow all. The IP address or computer name that it's requesting will be our IPv4 address that you can see right here, the static IP that we had created in the previous step. So we're going to go ahead and enter that there. Hit the check mark. You're going to want to head to your firewall settings. Inside somewhere you should find your NAT endpoint filtering or the TCP endpoint filtering option. By default, it was set to port and address restricted. We're going to want it to be address restricted. If it is port and address restricted, it's going to block the port we're trying to open, making your server unavailable. So that's all there is to it. Save settings, reboot router, and you're done. We'll see you in step 3.